Hello, this is Patrick, and in this section we are going to cover how to create a new budget for the new year in Ponham General Ledger. First of all, we go to the General Ledger program, the GL program, and we want to sign in. And the first stop is the primary task box in the upper left corner here. We come down to yearly budgets, left click on that. And we have our list of budgets that have been used in the past. But to create a new one, we want a preliminary budget there. We come to our Tools tab on the left side and go to Create New Budget. The first stop here is the available budgets. This is a starting point for the budget for the new year. We're going to select a prior year's budget, in this case last year, and we want to click the Get Budget button so it will load that information. We want to give it a new year, the 2017-2018 budget. These tools here are a set of tools to allow you to increase the budget by a given percent, up or down. You could reduce or increase the entire budget by a given percent. But we want to leave that at 0 for now. And we're going to go ahead then and click the OK button. The system now loads up the new budget that is being created and gives us a preliminary budget to work with. You'll notice up here now we have the 2017-2018 preliminary budget. For starters, we want to double click on there, and we want to select the first account number that we want to work with. You'll notice there is a drop down, but you can also type the numbers if you would like. We're going to select our current real property taxes. The initial budget entry amount here is the amount that is there that loaded from last year. I want to increase it slightly, and I'm going to hit the Enter key to save this, but there is the Save Budget Entry button over here as well. And now I have increased the budget for the current real property taxes. But to see all of the accounts, so I don't have to go through everything on the computer here, I can come over to the Reports tab over here on the left side, and I can run the Budget Worksheet with Account Number. This particular report, we want to go ahead the first time through and leave this filter just as is, as it defaults, but later on you can go back and run just sections of the budget if you are working on a specific section. We're going to let this program run, and it's going to generate a report for us that has some information from previous years, including last year's budget, and then gives us an area for us to work on next year and make some notes. This is handy for us to sit down and make those notes away from the computer. You'll notice you have the 2015-16 actual and then the 16-17 actual numbers. And then we have the budget for last year, and then we have the preliminary budget for the new year, and you'll notice it includes the amount that I just changed. You then have this workspace where you can write in new dollar amounts that you want to change. And of course we provide the account numbers here for quick reference when you come back to Ponham and are ready to enter in these new amounts that you want for your budget. Once the budget is complete, you've gone back through, you've entered in all of your initial budget entries. The last step is to come back to the Tools tab over here on the left, and this usually happens after you've had your final meeting and approval from the board and from the town council, and we do this finalized budget here. That's going to give us a confirmation window here. It says, do you want to confirm, do you want to finalize this budget? And we want to say yes, and it's done. It is now a finalized budget. From now on, you'll want to do budget amendments. There's our 2017-18 finalized budget ready to go for the new year. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-237-8531. Or you can visit our website where there are several helpful docs on how to create, enter new budgets, and how to amend after you've finalized a budget. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great day.